start the program. Then declare two variables. One called number, where we'll take input from the user. And another called factor, which we'll initialize to 0. This will count how many factors the number has. Now take input from the user, basically ask, bro, which number do you want to check? After that, check if the number is 0 or negative. Then just say, bro, enter a positive number. And exit the program right there, because there's no point in checking further. Now comes the actual checking part. Run a loop from 1 to number. For each I, check. If number %I equals 0, that means I is a factor of that number. So bro, increase factor by 1. Once the loop finishes, print the total value of factor, basically show how many factors we found. Now take the final decision. If factor is 2, then say, yes bro, this is a prime number. Otherwise, say, no bro, this is not a prime number. And that's it bro, end the program.